Hi, I am Sukanya. I will be using HIMI gouache for today's prompt favorite snack. I am going to paint my favorite avocado toast with poached egg. Here I am using a simple cardboard piece and I have already made a rough outline on it. First I am mixing white with pale purple, shallow crab and sky blue and colored the egg white with it. This is basically a base layer. At this stage we don't need to think about the detailing. As the egg is done, now I am applying a mix of yellow cream with white. Now coloring the yolk with the same color. And for the base of the side of the bread, it is a mix of ochre and medium yellow. I am now applying a mix of powder purple, sky blue and white for the base of the plate. After the plate is done, I am now applying yellow green for the avocado area. Finally, it is time to shift focus on the detailing. It is orange and medium yellow to create a darker shadow of the yolk. I am using a mix of white with light tan and shallow crab to create shadows. Adding highlights with white brings life to the painting. Now it is time to add the green herbs. Using grass green and olive green for creating shadows on the avocado. I am using purple and violet to paint the edible purple flowers. I love how the egg looks at this point. It is time to create the toasted textures on the bread, and I am using different brown shades for that. Creating shadows and lights on the plate will make it look 1,000 times better. For the ultimate shadow, I am using burnt umber with lots of water. So here is the complete painting. Hope you like this one and learn something. Take care.